Jai Hind students. In today's class, we'll discuss about the variation of acceleration due to gravity, and we'll try to show you that acceleration due to gravity does not depends on the mass of any object, which means if you drop a heavy object and if you drop a mass whose value is very less compared to the other mass, they both will touch the ground at the same time, which means if the m1 is less than the m2, the impact will be different, but the time which they take to travel that distance of same height will be the same. Okay, this point is valid, but this is made in a assumption that the air will not offer any resistance, or you can better say that if I perform this experiment in vacuum, it will be seen to us. So near the earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity is approximately constant. Near the surface of the earth, I'm not talking in terms of this north pole and south pole. Near the surface of the earth means if this is the equator, so at this position or any two position where you want to consider that the object should be. But at the larger distance from the earth or around the planets or moons, like this type of distances which are very huge, it is varying. How does it vary? So the acceleration due to gravity depends on the terms that are as follows. Let's suppose there is a mass of small m is situated outside the earth at a distance of small r from its center. We always consider center to center distance. That's why if I say the distance is r, you have to assume that I am talking in terms of their distance from their center to center. Okay, the gravitational force on the mass is, we could write as like g m1 m2 by r square as per the Newton's law of gravitation, and this is the force. From Newton's second law, we know that force is nothing but it is equals to the mass into acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity in terms of the gravitational field, but acceleration होता है. ओके, तो यहाँ पर जब हमने मास को किसी ड्रॉप किया तो ये मास हमारा a, इट विल बिकम एज g. तो इसी g को हमने यहाँ पर पुट किया, दैट mg विल बी इक्वल टू g m1 m2 अपॉन r स्क्वायर. m1 m2 के टर्म्स में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, दैट मीन्स एक स्मॉल m है और एक कैपिटल M विच इज़ द मास ऑफ द अर्थ. सो यहाँ से आपका स्मॉल m दोनों साइड से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So finally what I am getting is the value of g is nothing but capital G into the mass of earth upon their distance का square. Since the distance is comparatively negligible in terms of the 6,400 kilometer of radius of earth, that's why I am assuming it to be negligible. So I can better it write like this. अगर मुझे लिखना ही होगा तो r plus h का होल स्क्वायर में लिखता, लेकिन चूँकि ये h इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ इज़ कितना होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा होगा तो 50 किलोमीटर 200 किलोमीटर, सो इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल. 200 किलोमीटर में तो फिर भी कुछ वेरिएशन आ जाएगा, लेकिन अगर आपका 5 मीटर है, 10 मीटर है, 15 मीटर है, दैट इज़ वेरी नेग्लिजिबल अमाउंट. सो बाय द अबव इक्वेशन वी कैन से दैट द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द मास ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. By this assumption, we can go to the further analysis of acceleration due to gravity with the variation of height, depth and the rotation of the earth. तो अभी मुझे केवल ये देखना है कि अच्छा, mass of any object does not contribute to the acceleration of gravity. Then how does it vary from place to place? From increasing the distance between the objects or going below the earth's surface? और गोइंग अबोव द अर्थ सरफेस। अर्थ सरफेस पे तो कांस्टेंट है, लेकिन उसके अंदर और उसके बाहर ये वेरिएशन आएगा। और जब ये वेरिएशन आएगा तो क्या मैं इसको इम्पैक्ट में ले सकता हूँ दैट द रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ will also contribute to the acceleration due to gravity? So yes, answer is in yes. They all three contribute in terms of variation in the acceleration due to gravity. उन्हीं में से हम एक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे that acceleration due to gravity at the height from the surface of the earth. So let g be the value of acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth, and g dash will be the value of acceleration due to gravity at the height h above the surface. So suppose this is the earth and I have taken the radius of earth as capital RE, and approximately at the height h above the surface of the earth I have taken this distance, whose distance is small d, which will be equal to the small d will be equal to radius of earth plus height above the earth surface. Okay, now I know that g is equals to capital G m e upon radius of earth square. So capital G into mass of earth upon radius of earth square. Now we'll determine the value of g at a distance of re plus h, which is a small d. That means my object lie at this position, and the distance from this position to the radius of earth, इन दोनों को हमने जब ऐड किया तो हमारे पास आता है कुछ d की वैल्यू। अच्छा, यहाँ पर जो हमारे पास एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी होगा वो कुछ g डैश, मैंने आपको बोला कि आप उसको लिखेंगे। दिस विल बी इक्वल टू यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट मास ऑफ अर्थ अपॉन डिस्टेंस के स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स आर ई प्लस एच का होल स्क्वायर। नाउ डिवाइडिंग द इक्वेशन 2 by 1, आई कैन क्लियरली सी दैट g डैश बाई g विल बी इक्वल टू दिस वैल्यू, g डैश की जो आपने निकाली और g की वैल्यू। यहाँ से मेरे पास यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट दैट इज कैपिटल G विल बी गेट कैंसल आउट बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑन द बोथ द साइड्स। मास ऑफ अर्थ विल बी कैंसल आउट। फाइनली आई एम गेटिंग दिस एक्सप्रेशन g dash by g is equals to re square upon re plus h whole square. What I can write from this is that re plus h to the power minus 2, I can write like this. By the binomial expansion, I can say that 1 plus x to the power n, x to the power n could be written as like 1 minus nx, if 1 plus nx, if the expansion is going to expand, next term will be n into n minus 1 into x, third term will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into x. This will be like the binomial expansion. So उसी तरीके से मैंने यहाँ पर आर ई को कॉमन लेकर के इसको यहाँ पर 1 बनाया, h upon आर ई टू द पावर माइनस 2, और expanding with the binomial theorem I can write like this: g dash by g will be equals to 1 minus 2 h upon re. By this equation I can clearly say that acceleration due to gravity varies if I go above the earth's surface. By this way I can also calculate the variation of acceleration due to gravity if I go below down the surface of the earth. That will be your homework to solve that problem, how to derive that relation, what will be the value. We'll discuss about the acceleration due to gravity variation with respect to the rotation of the earth. That is a much tricky topic in the next video. Till then, thank you and Jai Hind. God bless you all.